Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are solving question. So let's solve the given question. So find the equations of the straight line passing through a point. So we're having a point, that's why I call it a gradient, a point form. That is, we have a point with a gradient. So we are having the point with -1, 3, and with gradient, which is what? 1/5. So solution. Now we know that the formula for solving for gradient a point form is y minus y1 equals to mx minus what? X1. So with the gradient, so we have gradient m equals to 1/5, and we are having the point which is -1, 3. That will be x1 y1. So we are having y minus y1, that will be 3, equals to the gradient 1/5 into bracket x minus x1. We are having minus 1. So we are having y minus 3 equals to 1/5 into bracket x plus 1. So we have y minus 3 equals to, expand this now, we have 1/5. Better still, you can do it this way. So this means you have 1 minus 3. Y minus 3 equals to x plus 1/5. If you cross multiply, it means you're having 5 into brackets. Y minus 3 is equals to x plus 1. So if we expand this now, we have 5y minus 15 equals to x plus 1. So we have 5y. X will come in, we have we have 5y equals to x plus 1 plus what? So we have 5y. This x can come here, you have minus x equals to what? 16. So which we can also express that as 5y equals to 16 plus x. We divide both sides by 5/5 over 5 over 5. So we have y equals to x over 15 plus 16 over 5. So I can write this as y equals to 1/5x plus 16 over 5. Thanks for watching this video. The next class we'll move into another part. See you.